I'm Dansoy. Welcome back. Another food suggestion, food review. These are the Kodiak flapjack cups. You just add a half a cup of water or milk and slap them into the microwave. So they're pretty good. I've had them many times. This one is cinnamon maple, and it just basically gives you the directions on the back and some information. But these things are really good. You just add water, like I said, stir it, and you just go ahead and enjoy it. But I'll just open it up and you can see. Yeah, so you can basically see the ingredients there. It has a fill line, so you're gonna just add it like with water or milk, like I said. But these things are really good. They have another flavor. I'll review that soon. So I added the quarter cup of water, and then you're going to just put it in the microwave for 60 seconds. Then after that, you just stir and you just... Alright, so 60 seconds is done. You can see that. It's thick. So basically, these are the Kodiak breakfast cups. That's cinnamon maple. It's definitely worth it. Thanks for visiting my channel. God bless. Please subscribe, hit the bell, because I'm going to bring you anywhere from 2 to 5 updates a week. Peace out. God bless. Dansoy.